sideways for this. Every day it starts the same. We're called into the tent by Cain to take part in some silly game to keep our sanity. And though I know this world is strange, I won't allow myself to change. I try my best and work to save my old humanity. Hey, Pomni, come inside. We got a wild ride. Hey, look, your Susan died. Very funny, I'll pass on this adventure. Are you, sir? Yeah, can't you see? See, fine. I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. No abstraction. I won't lose my mind. You won't get the satisfaction. No abstraction. No. Every day it starts the same. I get a taste of where I came from, but I can't recall my name or any other thing about me. Every time I start to crack, friends are there to get my back. It's like a house in cards, a fact. I know they'll fall apart without me. Hey, Pomni, okay? You're looking rough today. Well, that's not nice to say. Oh, wait, sorry. Stare into the mirror and repeat till I believe I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. No abstractions. He's fine. I won't lose my mind. You won't get the satisfaction. No abstraction. No. Oh, Pom, can't you see that we are your new family? We will keep you sane and strong. If you break, don't let it start to shake. This more than you could take, so please don't let me be wrong. Every day and every night it all turns out the same. So I always find a chance to blame when I can't even stay calm. I cannot eat, I cannot sleep, I have a mouth, but I can scream loud enough to change the scenery inside of this machinery. Polygonal prison made of 1 and 0 digits, and I wonder if that's all I am, this format I've been given. My mind is in a coma, and this nightmare will preserve it. Maybe this is all I get, and maybe somewhere I deserve it. And the thoughts and fight inside my head, and sit and fly away, get better, sit. But I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. I'm no abstraction. I'm fine. I won't lose my mind. You won't get the satisfaction. No abstraction. No. No. I did 2 kitten sneeze, by the way, credit.